Hey, my
The
hearts and souls.
self-proclaimed serial killer is taken back to the vacant house where he killed.
Crime documentary, serial killer, blah, blah, blah. I'm always watching a crime documentary. Okay, so I want to quickly show you what I have just cooked for the week, or the rest of the week. Today is Tuesday, July. Today is apparently Tuesday, July the 2nd, 2019, and the time is 19:36, aka 25 minutes before 8 p.m. I just finished cooking and here it goes. Well, what I did was I went and fetched water with a gallon because I don't want to use my bottled drinking water to cook. You know, you're gonna boil the water anyway when you cook, so whatever is in there is gonna get out. You should taste this. It tastes amazing, just the juice. Anyway, this is what I made. I put more or less the same amount of water that you're seeing now in this Instapot, and then I chopped up chicken breasts that I bought deboned and skinned. While I was cooking them, I also put a dozen of eggs in there. That's why the eggs basically look like the same color. Now you really don't know which one came first, the chicken or the egg. So to save time and water and energy and all kinds of things, I boiled these with that, and then as soon as I thought these were ready, I took out the eggs and I left the chicken just a little longer. Chicken breasts don't need that long anyway to cook, otherwise they're gonna end up really dry. So then I took them out and I tasted the broth and I was like, oh my god, this is what I put in it. I just bought this new sauce from Aldi, if you have one close by. It's not sauce, it's spices. It has char broil, prime rib, this is the one. Okay, my lighting's not that great in here. I could turn on more lights, but I gotta go. Cajun and country blend. So I used the country blend as well as prime rib. I mixed the two for fun. There's no rhyme or reason to why I do what I do when it comes to the kitchen. I just love to eat, and luckily all my combinations end up tasting good. Everything looks dry, right? Boiled eggs and chicken breasts, because that's really all I'm gonna eat. No vegetables or nothing. I have vegetables because I have avocados that are probably in the car. I'm about to go to the car now and bring stuff that I bought over the past couple of days. I came back from home time this morning at 2. Anyway, so tasting the broth, I wasn't gonna throw it away. I was like, actually, you know what? Because I took down pork butt thaw so that I can make it as maybe my dinners or lunches, because I like to cook 3 meals. At least my eggs will be kind of 1 meal, and then the chicken and then another meal. But I was just like, I gotta go. So I thought, okay, let me make something quick. And I've had these frozen, what are they called? Shrimp that I've had for maybe a little bit. So I decided to quickly put them in the water because I know they're gonna be ready in no time flat. And that's what you're seeing in here now. It's pretty lean, huh? Look, not a lot of fat in there. Don't worry, I have all kinds of fat. I'll tell you more about that at another time. So those shrimp are ready. Maybe I'll have like a shrimp soup when I have them with this broth just to fill me up, but it's not a real meal. However, it's one more thing to eat. Pretty much eat, more or less the same thing. I'm gonna be eating this. I pretty much eat more or less the same thing, and I'm gonna be eating this for the rest of probably, the week. Maybe until Saturday, hopefully, because sometimes mama is hungry and I'm just eating. I like mayonnaise, so I use mayonnaise a lot, and then I add like butter, maybe fat, lard, whatever, just to make the food go down, because sometimes it's dry. But I do love the combination of boiled egg and chicken breasts with mayonnaise. That combination, I haven't tired of that yet, fingers crossed, because it's affordable, it's clean, it's lean, it's low calorie, and it's filling. So I like that. All right, let me head out and bring some stuff in and do a couple errands before I go to sleep, because I have a long... I'm in California right now, and I think it's San Bernardino Valley. Is it a valley? San Bernardino County, yeah. Tomorrow I think that I may head out to Oregon. So hopefully, you know, last time I had the Oregon thing, it was canceled. I hope that it doesn't, but I have a strange feeling about this one. I'll let you know if I remember. If not, ask me in the comment section and I'll tell you whatever happened to it. By the time you see this, it will have happened or not. Okay, let me get out of here. I'm gonna leave my food outside to cool down. There are no flies near, knock on wood. So I'm gonna leave my food outside to cool and do whatever I need to do to cool down, and then I'm gonna leave it to cool down and do whatever I need to do, and then when I'm done and it's time to go to bed, I'm gonna put it in containers. Well, some of it is already in containers, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Thanks for watching, and that is Trucking with Brook, or Cooking with Brook. Truck Cooking with Brook. Cook, trucking, no, that's not a combination. But yeah, for those who may not have caught on, I cooked all of this in the truck, and I'm going to eat this while living in the truck on the road as a truck driver. I'm fairly new at this. I only had my driver license, my commercial driver license, for about a month now. So watch my previous videos to see the journey thus far. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you later. Please leave some comments and keep me occupied, keep me company. Bye bye.